Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys this beautiful pixie cut wig from RPGSHOW. I absolutely love it so much, and I'm going to show you guys how I style it, my review of it, and just a nice fresh new look for the spring and summer. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for the video. One of my favorite things that I love so much about this wig is that it is so beginner friendly. You don't need any glue, there's no bleaching required. It's an upgraded pre-plucked hairline that's transparent lace wig. So honestly, you guys have seen this video. It was so easy for me to put on and very easy for me to style. All I did with this wig is I just co-washed it as soon as I took it out of the package and rinsed that off and then let it air dry overnight, and I didn't put in any leave-in products. You can if you'd like to get more of a curl pattern, but for me, I just made sure to just leave it as it is, and then I put in some styling mousse to style my hair, as you guys are gonna see in this video. So I cut the lace off camera, and I'm just showing you guys here how I'm putting the wig on. So as you can see, I already did a little bit of my edges, and I put the wig cap on, and I'm just securing the wig. So with those adjustable straps, it helps me really secure that wig, making it fit tight so that it looks much more natural. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna see me adjusting it to my head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just install some bobby pins on the side to really secure it. And because I left out a little bit of my edges, you're gonna see how the lace lines up so well, and it just looks so natural and so easy. So no glue, no bleaching, no nothing, and it's super natural looking. So that's why I absolutely love this wig so much. And for those who watch my videos all the time, you guys know how much I love Cream of Nature black edges, because it really does help, you know, make the hairline look even more natural. So it helps blend in your hairline with the wig, but it also thickens up your edges as well if they are a little bit on the thin side. And I'm gonna go ahead with some gel and then just lay my edges. And then of course, I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and I'm going to shape my edges a little bit. Not too much because I want it to still look natural. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a satin or silk scarf. I'm gonna tie down my edges for approximately about 20 minutes or so. And this is what's going to make the natural hairline look even more natural. Now, do you see how well my hairline blended in so well with this wig? I'm telling you guys, this wig is so beginner friendly. It's not even funny. And also what I love about glueless wigs is that it really does help protect your edges. So now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on styling, and here I'm using the Cream of Nature mousse. You can use any hair mousse you have at home or any other styling products. I would recommend a light gel or a mousse because this hair is fine in texture, so you don't want to weigh it down, and the curls are much looser. And so for me, I like to have more of a curl pattern, so I'm gonna go ahead and use something light. But this process was super easy and super fun to do because you can create so many cute looks because the length of this is perfect. It's not too short, but it's not long. So you can actually do a few hairstyles. So I just was playing around with the wig, and I wanna show you guys 3 or 4 of my favorite hairstyles. I was actually so pleasantly surprised at how well this wig turned out, because this is the shortest style I've ever had in a wig, and I just wasn't sure how that was going to suit my face. You know, I've never done a pixie cut before, and even when I went natural and did the big chop, I didn't really wear my natural hair out like that. I was wearing a lot of protective styles, and I really wish that I was able to wear those short styles out, because you could have a lot of fun with these short hairstyles. And to be honest, like, I had so much fun styling this wig and wearing it that it does make me want to, you know, maybe cut my hair in the near future, because it's super easy to do, low maintenance, and I can see why a lot of people do eventually cut their hair. But definitely I want to still grow up my hair as long as possible, and that's why using these protective styles has definitely helped me retain a lot of length and a lot of health to my hair, giving my hair a great break from heat and manipulation and all that kind of stuff. So I would love to hear you guys' thoughts and comments below. What do you guys think about this wig? Have you guys ever tried a pixie cut, either with a wig or your natural hair? And would you guys ever consider doing so as well? So those are the hairstyles that I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to continue playing around with this wig. And, you know, if you guys follow me on Instagram at Ida Michael, you guys are going to see all the amazing, beautiful photos that I took with this hairstyle. And if you guys want to get more details on this wig, go ahead and check out my description box. I have all the details, and I also have a discount code for you guys as well. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyles do you guys like the best. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.